Wow!
You like the light?
Sus ko po.
There. Doon.
Can you hold my hat?
No, hold it. I cannot hold. You don't need to use your mask na, kuya. Hold it na lang. Hold it, kuya. Listen.
Go here. I'll picture you with Kuya Aki. Go!
What happened to you, boy? What happened to you?
2, 3, go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go!
Subscribe to Cali Travels! Do it, please. My goal is to reach 100 subscribers.
Come. Where? Tayo come.
Come on. Let's go to Jesus!
Where is Jesus? Show me.
There, in the house.
In the house.
Oh, go. Show me.
House ba yan?
Show me.
Show, come on.
Show me.
Come on. Wait, Aki, this is very exciting. I want to go. Aki.
Yes, come on.
Aki, in front. In front of me. Aki, in front. 1,
Go.
2, 3, go.
Sus!
Ah! Okay. Just go.
Put it in your pocket.
No, you don't even need it naman eh. There's no people here. Okay, we start. Come on, start.
Because he just woke up. And this is the 3 kings. Look, oh.
Go. Oh. Dun.
That's the gift. The lamb? I don't know who that. The lamb?
Aki, wait. Where's Snoopy?
Where's Snoopy? Yes, now it's Luca. He's Ate and Ate. You like this?
1, 2, down.
Up? Dito sila dito.
Try to be your Asian. You don't know the way. High five! That you're feeling me.
Ate Ann pa, napakalayo ni Ate Ann. I want to high five daw. I want to go back.
Don't run away from the heart of the groove. And the way that we move, kill the lights we can lose. Oh, kill the lights. I would appreciate if I taught my friends this. Don't spin me around, then I lost myself.
Uy, nakikibunggo ka rin. Mabanggahan ka dyan.
Wow, ah. Okay ka na, ah.
Good job. Nawalay na yung hilo mo.
Wala kasi siyang car seat.
Nag-ikot kasi kanina. Walang car.
Nahilo ang baby.
Okay, o at least nalabas.
Ayun, buti. Nailabas niya. Mami, taga lang. Come here lang. Picture kayo. Axel! 1. Axel, 1, 2, 3.
Ano ka?
1, 2, 3.
Hinihila.
Ang ganda mag-picture eh.
Posing! Yeah!
I want to jump.
Oh, it's high.
Oh, go. Go, ate.
Jump!
Oh, how about you?
Doon sa in-explain nung kanina nung nag-message yung parang first day ata ngayon na hindi na cohort.
What's cohort?
Wala na ba ang cohort?
But tonight I have costume and costume Spider-Man and costume.
Yung magkakas.
Okay.
Hindi siguro. Pinag-iwalay lang naman yung klase. Yung buong klase na. Katulad na nung sa atin na buong klase.
Lanterns.
Bye, lantern.
See you on Monday.
See you on Monday.
Ikaw, Bye-bye, Lantern.
Bye, Star!
Picture pa kayo ni Mami.